Here is an example to find each withdrawal. We did this question in the class. And first we use this withdrawal formula, right? And then plug everything into the formula. We have the setting up here. And now I will show you how to do this question again using the calculator. So I get my calculator. 2 steps, right? I suggest 2 steps. The first step, find the denominator first. The second step, use the numerator divided by the denominator. Okay, so we do this way. First, find the denominator, which is 1 minus parenthesis 1 plus 0.05 divided by 12 parenthesis raised to a power parenthesis negative 12 times 20 parenthesis. Okay, so and here is the one I found for the denominator. Now is the second step. We use the numerator, which is the top, and divided by the previous answer, which is the denominator, right? So how to do? I will find here, okay, times parenthesis 0.05 divided by 12 parenthesis. See, this is the top, right? The top. And then I divide it by what? By the denominator we already find in the first step, and which is the previous answer. The previous answer in the calculator is here, is the second negative. So I will going to find second click negative, which is the previous answer, and then enter. And here is the answer what we get. Okay, I hope this helped.